Dear Dr. Joseph, what are the health benefits of wheatgrass juice if we take 1 glass daily?
Hi, Alina. Drinking a daily glass of wheatgrass juice may offer several health benefits. Let me divide this into 5 major points. Number 1, nutrient boost, rich in vitamins A, C, E, minerals iron, magnesium, and antioxidants to support overall health. Number 2, detoxification. Chlorophyll content may aid liver function and blood purification. Number 3, immunity and digestion. Enhances immune response and promotes gut health with enzymes. Number 4, blood sugar and cholesterol. Potential to regulate glucose and lower LDL cholesterol, supporting metabolic and heart health. Number 5, energy and skin. Nutrient density may boost vitality, while antioxidants improve skin clarity. Many thanks, Alina.